Let's take a look at vehicle reconditioning in MotorDesk. Organisation and communication is vital when it comes to vehicle preparation. MotorDesk's auto reconditioning section streamlines your entire workflow to save time, eliminate confusion, and boost productivity. MotorDesk allows you to organise reconditioning tasks into easy-to-use, reusable templates that you can assign and tailor to any vehicle. From inspections to final preparations, including the location of each task and who's involved, everything flows smoothly between staff members and anyone can easily track exactly what stage each vehicle is at. Keep your staff members and suppliers on the same page with instant notifications via SMS, email or dashboard alerts, eliminating delays or confusion, track tasks, pass on instructions, collect condition reports and electronic signatures, all while securely exchanging information with your team and suppliers. Suppliers access tasks directly through your own website, ensuring they know exactly what's needed, reducing errors and speeding up turnaround time. Stay organised, speed up vehicle preparation, and get cars to market faster with MotorDesk's auto reconditioning features. Try it for yourself by signing up to a 30-day free trial today.